Hello guys, today we will see about data flow pipeline. We know that the data flow in the Google Cloud is help us to transfer our data from any source to BigQuery or Bigtable, anything. We can load the data in the Google storage. From there, we can do the pipeline using data flow and sync the data wherever we want and use for our analytic purpose. So, data flow is the movement of data through a system. It can be a simple process, such as transferring data from one file to another, or it can be the complex process, such as processing data from multi source and generating reports. Okay. The pipeline is a series of steps that are used to process data. Pipeline can be simple, such as a series of commands that are executed in the shell. So they can be a complex when used for the distributed applications. This is the managed service, makes it easy to build and run data pipeline. It provides a unified platform for processing data from a variety of source, including streaming data, batch data, and cloud storage. So data flow pipelines are typically written in the Apache Beam programming language. Programming model. Beam is a unified model for batch streaming data and processing. It provides a set of high-level abstractions that make easy to write pipeline that can executed in a variety of platform, including Dataflow, Apache Spark, and Apache Flink. So the benefit of using Dataflow is easy to use. So Dataflow provides a simple and easy to use API for building and run the pipeline. It is scalable platform that can handle large volume of data. So it is a reliable platform that guarantee that pipeline can execute it correctly, and also the cost effective platform. So it used to streaming data from any source to any platform we want. Is used to streaming data from source such as Kafka, PubSub, and pass to the any sync source like BigQuery, Bigtable for our analytic purpose. Batch data processing also it can be used. So data flow can be used to process batch data from source such as cloud storage, BigQuery, and Hive. It can be used for machine learning, used to train and deploy machine learning models. So we can use this in the Vertex AI to get the data, train the data, and create the model and used in our applications. Is used to load data into the warehouse such as BigQuery, Redshift, and Bigtable. It have the concept of peak collection and transfer. Peak collection is the data abstraction in the Apache Beam programming model. It represents a potential distributor multi-enable dataset that act as a pipeline data. Peak collection can be created from variety of sources such as streaming data, batch data, and cloud storage. Transfer the process of data flow that is used to move data from one peak collection to another. Transfer can be performed between different stage in the pipeline that can be performed between a pipeline and external data source. So peak collection and data can be used in the data flow to represent the data that is being processed by the pipeline. Peak, peak collection can be used to represent data that is processed by the pipeline that can be stream data, batch data, and data from the cloud storage bucket. It's moved between stage by stage using peak collection and transfer process. is move data from pipeline and the external source. P collection can be used to move data between pipeline and the external source. So this can be useful for loading data into warehouse or from exporting data into a cloud storage bucket. So this is easy to use and it's scalable, reliability and cost effective way. So this use Apache Beam programming model to build a data pipeline. Then use P collection and transfer as an essential tool to transfer data from source to warehouse to create the analytics way. This is the source data. We use the P transfer and P collection to transfer and give the output. Once you get the data from some source, CSV or any data, then we can use PubSub here, just the data stream, and push into the cloud storage. From there, you can transfer uh, extraction, transfer, and load process using the data flow, then insert into the BigQuery. Then we can use Looker Studio or any analytics tool to visualize the report. Thank you.